Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Did you know that there are 8 different types of digital marketing? Let me show you how you can develop a marketing strategy to help you achieve financial freedom while working from home. Make sure you stick around to the very end of this video because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of 2 children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, and currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed, and I was frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family or to work on my side hustles. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. I had this mom guilt because I had expensive hobbies, right? It was costing me more money trying to make money online. And it was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. So I want to share with you the different types of digital marketing that are out there so that you can make an informed decision on how best to develop a marketing strategy so you can have explosive growth in 2025. The first one I want to share with you is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is all about creating content. It could be video content like this, or it could be blogs, articles, where you are offering a solution to a problem that your target audience has. And when they are typing for asking a question, your content could show up and you could solve the problem that they have, right? So SEO is great because it's long term. It's once you upload your content, it's there for years to come. So if you can get ranked on the first page of YouTube or Google, then you're golden, right? So SEO is initially, though, it's hard work creating the content, putting the content together, ranking it, doing your research and all that. And then the second one is content marketing, which is close to SEO, where you actually creating content that is educational content like this, or entertaining content that resonates with your target audience, right? And that could be in videos, ebooks, blogs, articles, whatever way that you want to connect with your target audience. Content marketing is huge. Content is your real estate online, right? It's actually your retirement plan because, again, like SEO, which is actually linked to content, it's there long term, right? Once you have that content up there, it will be working for you for years to come. Social media marketing. So you're on social media right now watching this video, right? So you could actually did you know that you could turn your social media profiles into ATMs, right? You could actually use it to generate leads and sales. So you could use platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, all these platforms that are out there where your target audience is. You can actually connect with them directly. The other one is pay-per-click advertising, where you can run ads on different social media platforms, or you could be on website like Google, Yahoo, Bing, all these websites, Facebook, YouTube. You essentially throwing money at it if you don't have time. And when people click on your ad, you pay for it. You bid how much you want to spend, right? So pay-per-click is another way. That's short term, but it's faster results, right? And then influencer marketing is where you can partner up with an influencer to actually help reach their target audience, right? Promote your offer, endorse your offer to their target audience. So that could cost you money as well. Mobile marketing is something that is a way for you to connect with your target audience. I'm actually, what was it? I have an NCT book that's like, it's called different in different countries, where your car has to be checked every year or so. And I got got a message on my mobile and an email, right? So most companies will connect with you on both platforms, send you reminders and all that. So email using your mobile, you can actually have apps on your phone sending notifications to your customers. It's a great way for you to reach your target audience for sure. And the last one is AI chatbots as well, right? You can have a bot on Facebook and on your website and be able to interact with your target audience, present your offer to them, train them, whatever ways. AI is absolutely amazing. So these are the different ways, right? There's no one size fits all. You have to figure out what's the best strategy for you based on your target audience, right? Where are they? Where are they hanging out, right? What's the best way for you to connect with them and to deliver value? So, I'm part of this six-figure blueprint where I get live interactive coaching and mentorship. And from these methods here, we actually learning, and I'm learning and using email marketing, content marketing, social media marketing. Let me see what else am I learning from there. From that list, I think that's it. SEO marketing. So if you are interested in learning more, diving deeper into this and getting live interactive coaching and mentorship, then I want to invite you to actually click the link in the description to claim your free 10K in 30 days live interactive guide, which will actually talk to you and break down exactly how this works. And when I deliver the guide to your email, make sure you respond to the email. Let's have a conversation. I want to help you make an informed decision. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.